What if the concept of time was an illusion? This provocative idea challenges our fundamental understanding of reality. For centuries, time has been viewed as a relentless march from the past to the future, guiding our daily routines, relationships, and decisions. However, many philosophers and scientists propose that time is not a fixed entity, but rather a construct of human perception, shaped by our consciousness and experiences. One compelling argument for the illusory nature of time comes from the realm of physics. Quantum mechanics, for instance, suggests that at a fundamental level, time may not exist as we traditionally conceive it. Some interpretations argue that all moments, past, present, and future, coexist simultaneously, akin to frames in a film. This perspective implies that our experience of time flowing is merely a subjective perception, a narrative we create to make sense of our existence. Philosophically, the idea of time as an illusion raises profound questions about free will and existence. If time is non-linear, it could mean that every choice we make already exists within a timeless continuum. This notion challenges our understanding of causality and responsibility, prompting intriguing discussions on whether our actions are predetermined or if true agency exists within this timeless framework. Moreover, the implications of perceiving time as an illusion extend to how we experience life itself. Many mindfulness practices encourage individuals to focus on the present moment as a way to alleviate stress and anxiety. By recognizing that the past is unchangeable and the future is uncertain, we may liberate ourselves from the burdens of regret and worry. Embracing the present moment as the only reality fosters a deeper appreciation of life, encouraging us to engage more fully with our surroundings and relationships. In conclusion, contemplating time as an illusion invites us to rethink our understanding of existence and reality. Whether through the lens of physics, philosophy, or personal experience, this concept challenges us to explore the essence of time and its influence on our lives. As we delve deeper into this intriguing topic, we might find that the boundaries of time are not as rigid as they seem and that the now holds the key to a more profound understanding of our place in the universe.